Coffee, the world's second largest commodity to oil, is enjoyed the world over for its flavor and stimulating effects. Coffee grows best between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, or in what is known as the Coffee Belt. This creates three distinct growing regions: Latin America, Africa, and Asia-Indonesia. Coffee beans are actually the seeds of coffee cherries, which are made up of several layers, including the skin, pulp, parchment, silver skin, and bean. Removing the bean is done in one of two ways: the wet method and the dry method. The wet method requires the use of machines to remove the bulk of the cherry from the bean. The dry method uses the power of the sun to dry the outer layers until the moisture content has fallen to 11%. After either method, the cherries are placed in a fermentation tank where the final layers are loosened by natural enzymes. The beans are then dried, the final layers are removed, and they are sorted by size and density. In order to release the beans' full flavor potential, they must be roasted. Near the beginning of the roasting process, coffee beans turn a yellowish color and begin to smell like popcorn. After about 8 minutes, and much like popcorn, the beans pop and double in size. The beans then begin to brown as oils emerge and react to the heat. A second pop about 3 to 5 minutes later signals that the bean is fully roasted. Roasting times vary based on the desired taste of the finished product. Coffees for the typical American mass market are roasted for only 7 minutes. Coffees found in specialty coffee shops are roasted for about 10 minutes. French roast is kept in for as much as 13 minutes. Espresso roast is roasted to the point that the sugars in the beans begin to caramelize and burn. Now that the coffee is ready to be ground, brewed, and consumed, how will you take your coffee?